In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize contacts with properties in HubSpot CRM. Managing your contacts efficiently can make a huge difference in your business operations, allowing you to personalize communications and generate insightful reports. HubSpot CRM offers a robust set of tools to help you achieve just that. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of options, and among them is the Contacts section. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all the magic begins. The Contacts section is essentially your gateway to managing and organizing all your client or customer information. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll notice an option in the top right corner that says Add Contacts. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can input new contacts into your CRM system. But here's the thing. Simply adding contacts is just the beginning. The real power lies in customizing how you organize these contacts using properties. Properties in HubSpot are fields that you can customize to capture information that's specific to your business needs. This customization is what allows you to segment your contacts more effectively. Think of properties as the criteria you use to group your contacts. For example, you might want to create properties for job title, industry, or even specific product interests. By doing so, you can tailor your communication strategies to suit each segment, making your interactions more personal and impactful. To use custom properties, navigate to the Properties section within your contacts. Here, you can add new properties that align with the information most relevant to your business. Once you've set up these custom properties, you can start assigning them to your contacts. This step is crucial because it enables you to pull valuable insights and generate meaningful reports based on the data you've gathered. For instance, if you have a property set for lead source, you can filter your contacts to see which marketing efforts are bringing in the most leads. Or, by setting a property for product interest, you can create targeted campaigns tailored to those specific interests. Remember, the key to a successful CRM strategy is not just collecting data, but using it effectively. By organizing your contacts with properties in HubSpot, you're setting yourself up for more efficient communication, better segmentation, and ultimately, a more streamlined business process. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering contact organization within HubSpot CRM. With a little bit of setup and customization, you can transform how you manage and interact with your contacts, leading to enhanced business intelligence and customer relationships. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.